Let's see today one sum which has been given with overdraft balance as per passbook. Now how to do these kind of sums? We will see that. So passbook shows the debit balance, that means overdraft rupees 10,000 and other problems are given. So as I told you that whenever overdraft as per passbook will be given, we will write in minus items column and we will do numbers which we do in case of cash book. So check amounting to rupees 8,000 drawn on 25th December, of which checks of rupees 3,000 were cashed with within 31st December. That means 5,000 were not cashed. So in that case, you know that passbook balance has been given, but that check has not been presented. But it has been already subtracted in the cash book. So if we want to match the balance of passbook with cash book, then we will have to subtract the item from the cash book. So by thinking this logic, you can easily understand that you will have to subtract the item. Again, checks paid in collection amounting to rupees 50,000, but checks of 22,800 were created on 2nd January 2018. That means checks worth rupees 22,800 were created in the next month or next year, and it has not been passed in the passbook. So these items has to be added if you want to match the balance of passbook with the balance of cash book. So it is written in the plus column. Again, items unticked in incidental charges were not entered in the passbook, so these has to be added to get the cash book balance. Again, dividend collected by bank on behalf of rupees 350. So these items were collected by the bank, but cashier doesn't know about this. So if you want to match the passbook balance with the cash book balance, then we will have to subtract the item from the passbook balance. Again, a check of rupees 600 debited in the cash book, omitted to be banked. So if any check is debited in cash book and omitted in the passbook, that means passbook will be less by that amount. So we will have to add the item in the passbook balance to get the cash book balance. Again, a check of rupees 750 banked and credited but omitted to be recorded in the cash book. So 750 worth of check were created and not recorded in cash book. That means we have to subtract the item from the passbook to get the correct balance as per cash book. Now by balancing we will get debit balance as per cash book, because total of plus items exceed the total of minus items. So sometimes it may also happen that starting from passbook you have to be very careful and see it that whether plus item is exceeding the minus item. So these items will be entered in the cash book. I am sending one homework, solve that. Thank you very much.